Governor R.N. Ravi walked out of the assembly on Monday as Chief Minister M.K. Stalin moved a resolution to retain the speech prepared by the state government as part of the governor's customary address. While delivering his speech, the governor skipped talking about the management of law and order in the state, ideals of social justice, self-respect, inclusive growth, women empowerment, etc. He also skipped talking about the principles and ideals of Dravidian leaders, including Periyar, B.R. Ambedkar, C.N. Annadurai, M. Karunanidhi, as well as the Dravidian Model of governance. Stalin said the governor's activities were against the principles of the assembly. However, they respected the assembly's regulations and did not show any dissent while Ravi was delivering his speech. While Stalin was delivering his speech, Governor Ravi walked out of the assembly before its proceedings came to an end with the playing of the national anthem.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.